SmartHeal is a new kind of wound dressing, one that doesn't just cover a wound, but listens to it. Built on green nanotechnology and intelligent hydrogel engineering, SmartHeal brings affordable wound monitoring to the patients who need it most. This project is driven by a multidisciplinary team, combining expertise in physiology, biomaterials, and clinical science, a collaboration built to solve real problems for real patients. Malaysia is facing a silent crisis. With 3.9 million diabetics, we see 60 to 80,000 foot ulcers every year, and up to 20,000 amputations. Not because treatment doesn't exist, but because deterioration happens quietly, between dressing changes, when no one is watching. Excessive exudate becomes the turning point. It fuels bacterial growth, destroys tissue, and accelerates wound breakdown. And the people who suffer most are our elderly, our rural communities, and families managing wounds at home, without any monitoring tools. This is where SmartHeal begins. Research tells us that selenium nanoparticles are powerful therapeutic agents. They possess antioxidant, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, which are essential for wound healing. Meanwhile, hydrogels are trusted for moisture balance and comfort. But despite their strengths, they remain passive. They absorb exudate, but they don't respond to it. SmartHeal transforms that gap into opportunity. By integrating green-synthesized selenium nanoparticles into a moisture-responsive nanocellulose hydrogel, SmartHeal becomes both protector and observer. The problem is clear. There is limited dressing that adapts to wound conditions and monitors the exudate. Plus, the role of selenium nanoparticles in accelerating migration remains underexplored within a smart dressing format. We began by optimizing the synthesis of selenium nanoparticles using Marantode's pumilum. That work is complete and copyrighted. Stage 2 validates bioactivity, using MTT cytotoxicity assays to ensure safety, and scratch assays to confirm cell migration. Stage 3 is hydrogel development. We combined PVA, nanocellulose, and hyaluronic acid, and used physical cross-linking via freeze-thaw cycles, avoiding toxic chemicals. Because the polymers contain abundant hydroxyl groups, the hydrogel is highly hydrophilic. This drives its swelling behavior and makes it sensitive to exudate levels. Our MP-SeNPs are safe, with an IC50 of 243 micrograms per milliliter. And at only 6.3 micrograms per milliliter, they significantly accelerate fibroblast migration. This is the engine of wound closure, and SmartHeal amplifies it. The hydrogel developed is soft, pliable, and non-adherent, ideal for wound contact. It demonstrates clear moisture-triggered behavior. Swelling increases from 81% under normal conditions to 106% under high exudate. As exudate rises, when inflammation begins, the hydrogel absorbs more fluid. This triggers accelerated degradation, up to 79% in 24 hours, and a faster release of selenium nanoparticles exactly when they are needed. This is what makes SmartHeal a natural wound sensor. SmartHeal introduces novelty on multiple fronts: a green-synthesized therapeutic nanoparticle and a moisture-responsive hydrogel that adapts to wound conditions. Our intellectual property is anchored by our utility intent for MP-SeNPs, and strengthened further by this integrated formulation and release mechanism. SmartHeal is designed for the community. It reduces the need for repeated clinic visits, offers early detection during wound deterioration, and empowers caregivers with a tool that works silently in the background. SmartHeal empowers communities with early detection and fewer clinic visits, a practical, affordable monitoring tool aligned with Malaysia's National Strategic Plan for Non-Communicable Diseases and Sustainable Development Goals 3, 9 and 12. SmartHeal enters a RM1.2 billion wound care market with affordable, scalable design, built for clinics, hospitals, and homes. We're ready to move from prototype to nationwide deployment. This work has earned a Scopus Index publication, a utility intent filing, and major recognition, including a gold medal and silver award at prestigious innovation competition. These achievements reflect not just scientific merit, but the confidence in SmartHeal's potential to transform care. SmartHeal turns green nanotechnology into a dressing that senses, adapts, and heals, reminding us that true innovation is measured not by complexity, but by its impact on the community. This is accessible wound care for all. Thank you.